A step-by-step application process, preparation of the surface, clean of the surface. Second is a measure and cut of the felt sheet, means measure the area cut of the felt sheet. Third is a peel of the backing layer, means remove the protection backing. Fourth is apply the felt sheet, position of the felt sheet and place the sheet down. Overlap sheets if necessary, and six is a trim edges if necessary. Seventh is ensure proper sealing, and eight is a final inspection. Advantage of the using the bitumen self adhesive felt sheet. Easy to apply, and second is durability, waterproofing, flexibility. Precautions, temperatures, ensure that the temperature during the application is suitable, typically between 5 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees. Extremely temperature too hot or too cold can affect of the adhesive performance. Avoid air bubbles. Make sure the remove the air bubbles during application by pressing down firmly on the surface. Protection of the adhesive surface. The one of the backing is a removal. Try to apply the sheets quickly to the prevent dust, dirt, moisture from the coming in the contact with the adhesive side. Between self-adhesive felt sheet is a type of roofing materials commonly used in waterproofing applications. It is made from a felt base impregnated with the bitumen and coated with the self-adhesive layer. That also be easy application without the need the additional adhesive heat. Here's a step-by-step guide on the how to use a bitumen self-adhesive felt sheet. Thanks for watching Sandhya Plex.